Good morning, guys. Welcome back to this weekend Forex tutorial and analysis. In my analysis, it's just on my opinion. In my own opinion, I'm not telling anybody to trade. With my analysis, I'm not forecasting for anybody to place a trade. Please be responsible for everything you do in Forex market. I just want to show us something very powerful today, and what is it? Is about major pairs and exotic pairs. Normally, most of my followers normally ask me why I don't trade any of the exotic pairs. I don't like trading exotic pairs because they are too volatile. Number one thing is um, the the spread can be so skyrocket that it's going to give anybody trading it a big problem. Even if I thought there's no news, it can run a spike anyhow, and if I thought there's a news, it can make it worse. Let's see what happened on USD SAR, USD SAR on past week. The major currency pairs are our normal USD, Euro USD, USD Japanese yen, pounds USD, USD CAD, USD shelf, Australian dollar USD, New Zealand USD. Those are our seven major pairs, and these are the pairs I always focus on during the London market, as every one of us know that I always trade London market. And the cross currency pairs or minor currency uh, pairs are this, but the major one that I want to talk about is this exotic currency pair. Please look at what happened to lira. Lira drop based on uh, trade war between America and China and Turkey, and this affects ZAR greatly. And uh, most of my friends blow their account within 1 hour. It's a very terrible situation. They lost everything they have been trading for a very long time. Um, Now, let me quickly give us the wrap up. If you look at what happened, let me last week. This is August 13, daily candle. Let's switch to one. You can see what is happening here. Around 4 a.m. August 13 this month. Look at what happened. Look at this spike. The spike threw a lot of trader out of the market. Look at it, and rand move above 15 rand per dollar, and within a very few hours. Let's see from here. Within 1 hour, rand fell greatly, and this wiped a lot of people's accounts. You can see that it's struggling to recover. As at when I'm shooting this video, rand is sitting at 14.21. So these are the problem of exotic currency in the forex market. If you want to trade it, you need to have a lot of volume in your account, and you must understand your money management to the peak. Otherwise, this can cause a problem for you. This is just an example and to show us how exotic currency behave. And let's go to our normal trade that I normally show you guys. The past week was not a good week, so and I don't need to force myself to trade. So what did I do is, if I don't see uh, any good trade, I pull out of the market. like I always tell you guys, pull out of the market and wait for another time. So let me see. This is just the trade I placed for the whole week. This is just the trade I placed for the whole week, and I'm okay with it because if you look at what I have here for the whole week, let's quickly do the calculation. Like you know, I always do the calculation for you guys. I sat on $1.49 for the whole week, multiplied by 100, then divided by my capital. For the whole week, I have 0.135 percent of my capital. Yeah, it's return. It's positive. I'm not losing my capital. Like I always tell you guys, capital preservation is first thing in Forex. It took me a long year before I know that preservation of your capital is the first thing you have to watch out for in Forex market. Any profit that comes is a profit. For example, if we have 0.13 like this for 4 weeks that make a month, multiply by 4, it's going to give us 0.5% in a month. Okay, let's say we are managing um, half a million rand. We multiply this by half a million rand. Sorry, and divide it by 100. That means this is going to give us 2,709 rand for the whole month. It's profit. Every month cannot be the same, but invariably this month we have hit 3% of our account. But this is I think this week, this trading week, is most low week because you have to learn when to run from battle. So let's see what we have made so far in the month of August. We have 36.31. 36.31. We multiply by 100. Then we divide by our capital. Would give us 3.3%. So 3.3% per annum, per month, it's not a bad thing. Let's see if we multiply this per month times 12, it's going to give us, 3.3% times 12. It's going to give us 39.6% per annum times 100. I made a mistake here. 3.3% per month times 12. We are going to make 39% of 39.6% of our capital. Now let's say our capital is same 500,000 we are talking about. Multiply by 500,000 rand. Then we divide it by 100. We are going to make 198,000 rand on this deposit. The problem that we have is we normally calculate our return in rand or in dollars. If you start calculating, change your mentality by calculating your return in percentage, and by the time you are now looking at your fund, how much are you trading with, that will tell you how far you will go in this industry. I think we understand little things are explained here. Try to calculate your return in percentage, and you see how you can build a good future for yourself and have a good Forex trading portfolio that can make many people give you their or invest in you for you to have a good capital. Having $500 in your account, $1,000 in your account, $5,000 in your account can never make you rich. You can only use those kind of money to build a portfolio. If you see anybody that's telling you, a friend came to me and tell me, I saw somebody that is making uh, he has $500 deposit and is withdrawing $1,000 every month. I told him it's a lie. It's a very big lie. This industry is not a gamble. It's a real business. And Forex for long-term investment is good. It's profitable. But if you are looking for quick cash, I will advise you not to come through Forex. Um, this is the end of this weekend episode. We'll see next week and see what we have made uh, so far. Um, what do we learn from this today's episode? Please stay away from exotic peers as the war battle is still going on with the big countries that have good economy. And at the same time, um, any trade you want to place, be assured that you know why you are clicking your buy and sell. Bye bye. We see you next week.